My name is Princess Tsakani Nkambule, born and bred in Tzaneen in Limpopo. I'm from the Nwamitwa and the Shilobane royal families. The Princess Tsakani Foundation was inaugurated last year. The objective of the foundation is to assist disadvantaged children. Up to date, we've assisted about 80 kids with school uniforms. And this year was the second year of our fundraising efforts. And we raised more money and we were able to assist about 300 kids from Gachweni and the Nwamitwa region. And the vision obviously is to be able to assist more children with uniforms and other basic necessities. So we would like to see the foundation growing so that those kids who do not have anything to look forward to can be given a chance to achieve their full potential through being assisted by the foundation.